Good day, viewers. Good day, class. Welcome to part 2 JAMB matrix. JAMB question on matrix from 2022 to year 2000. That's what we are solving. We are solving a question from 2022 to year 2000. So if you follow us on part 1, this is a part 2 of that. And this is the question in that part 2. Find the matrix T if xt is equals to I, where x is 2 by 2 matrix and I is identity matrix. The option A is this, option B is this, and option C is this, and option D is this. And this question is asked on 2022, question 29, and 1999, question 20. And that's the reason why we said we should follow us on that. Because somebody that studied this 1999, coming to this, see this particular question, you just to take the answer and go without what solving it. That is the essence of this. So whatever we are solving, you pick the answer, pick the format, you take and go, because JAMB is all about time. So and each question is solved within 45 seconds. So let's go to solution. Solution. Looking at this question, they said I is identity. They said xt equals to what? I. And this I is identity matrix. Where x is given to me as minus 1, 1, and 1 minus 1, 2. Then identity matrix, that's identity 2 by 2 identity matrix, 2 by 2 identity matrix. I is given as 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 2 by 2 identity matrix. Then 3 by 3 identity matrix, 3 by 3 identity matrix, 3 by 3 identity matrix, so that you need to know it. Why they give you this? Because they take that you're supposed to know identity matrix off hands. Therefore, this is 2 by 2 identity matrix you needed to put in your brain. Then 3 by 3 identity matrix is what I'm trying to give you now, which is I given to us to be what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. This is 3 by 3 identity matrix. Then now, again, I cannot say I don't know T. T is what I don't know. And I look at this. X is given to me 2 by 2, and the I is given to me 2 by 2. Are you get what I'm saying now? The I here, 2 by 2 identity matrix is given to me, which I'm picking. Since this man is 2 by 2 matrix, and the I is 2 by 2 matrix, I have taken. Then this T, I will now say, let T be equals to what? A, B, C, D. You can call it any alphabet. I decided to take A, B, C, D. You can say X, Y, Z, Q, whatever. I take A, B, C, D. Now, I can now say that what? X, T equals to what? I can be written as, what is my X? They said X is given to minus 1, 1, 1, and minus what? 2 into. Then multiply T. And that T is given to me what? A, B, C, D. That's what I'm taking as what? T. Then I, which is my identity matrix, is what? 1, 0, 0, 1. That's my identity matrix. So I have equated this now. Now, I'm putting this board into 2 like this. I said this minus 1, 1, 1, minus what? 2, into what? A and C, B, D. I get what I'm saying now. And is equals to what? This 1, 0, 0, 1. And I say that this man, this way, that's what I'm doing now. The first thing I do. Then I will have that what? Minus 1 times what? A plus 1 times what? C. And is equals to what? 1. And that gives me minus A plus what? C is equals to 1. I call it equation 1. Then again, I'll do again this which I have what? This minus 1, 1. I have minus 1, 1, and the 1 minus what? 2 into this. I have this A, C, B, D, close equals to what? This 1, 0, 0, 1, this. I want to do this one like this. This is what I'm doing. Do you follow what I'm doing now? This one goes. I will have 1 times A plus minus 2 times C, and is equals to what? 0 is equals to 0. The first one will be is equals to 1. This one is equals to what? 0. I will have that A minus what? 2C is equals to what? 0. Equation what? 2. Are you following what I'm doing now? Equation 2. Then now, coming here to complete it, I will have my equation 1 minus A plus what? C equals to 1, equation 1, and what? A minus what? 2C is equals to 0, equation 2. And looking at this is simultaneous equation. I form simultaneous equation which have what? AC. And this is minus AC, this is a plus A, this is minus A, this is plus A. These two equations, I can add it and now say equation what? 1 plus what? Equation what? 2. I can add them. I will have that this minus A plus what? A, then plus C minus 2C is equals to what? 1 plus what? 0. And I will have this to be what? 0. This will become what? Minus what? C is equals to 1. Therefore, C is equals to minus 1. I think you know what I did there. C is minus 1. How did I get minus 1? This is the same as minus C is equals to 1. Therefore, C divided through by minus, multiplied through by minus will give me minus what? 1. Therefore, I've gotten C. I can now say put minus 1 for what? C. Any equation, I look at any of the equation 1, I'm choosing equation 1. You can choose as well equation 2. I'm choosing equation 1, you can choose as well equation 2. By saying putting it there, I will have what? Minus 1 plus what? C is equals to 1. I can now say that minus A minus what? 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, minus A is equals to what? 1 plus what? 1. This man going over here become plus 1. I think you are following what I'm doing. Then now I can now say minus A is equals to what? 2. And A multiplied through by minus what? 1. I will give A is equals to minus what? 2. Therefore, I've gotten my A to be minus 2. I've gotten my what? C to be minus 1. Therefore, let's go for the next one. Adding this into 2 as well again, I will say that minus 1 and what? 1. I can say 1 minus what? 2 in brackets into what? A, B, and what? C and what? D is equals to what? 1, 0, 0, 1. I close. I get what I'm saying now. I can now do the same thing I am doing before. I can now do this goes to this, and that will give me minus 1 times what? B, then plus 1 times what? D, and is equals to what? 0 is equals to 0. Are you following? Is equals to 0. I will have minus B plus what? BD is equals to what? 0, equation 1. I will now have again that this becomes minus 1 and what? 1 minus 2 into what? A, B, C, and what? D is equals to what? 1, 0, 0, 1. This. I will do this again. Are you following? This go to this. Are you following what I'm doing? And that will give me 1 times what? D plus minus 2 times what? D, and is equals to what? What I'm going to have there is, look at what I'm saying now. When I multiply this goes to this, that will give me what? Equals to what? 0, and this go to this will give me equals to what? 1. Are you following what I'm saying now? Then now I will have this to be what? B minus what? 2D is equals to what? 1. That is my equation what? 2. Then I'm solving it simultaneously. I will have minus what? B plus what? D equals to what? 0, and this give me what? B minus 2D is equals to what? 1. This is equation 1. This is what was equation 2. Then solving these two equations simultaneously, I can now say equation what? 1 plus what? Equation what? 2. I will have this to be what? Minus this plus what? B plus what? D minus what? 2D is equals to what? 0 plus what? 1. I will have this to be what? 0. This will give me minus what? D is equals to 1. And therefore my minus D is equals to what? 1. And we have D is equals to minus 1 by multiplying through by what? Minus. Then now, I gotta say substitute, put. I can now put minus 1 for what? For D in equation 1. If I'm choosing equation 1, if I put it in equation 1, I will have this for what? D, and I will have this to what? Minus what? D plus what? D is equals to what? 0, and I place minus what? B minus 1 is equals to what? 0. I can now say minus B is equals to what? 1, and what? B is equals to minus 1. You know what I did? This going over here become what? 1, and minus B multiplied 2 by minus will give me B equals to 1. Therefore, what we have got, what? A, B, C, D is equals to, where's my A? I got my A to be what? Minus what? 2. I got my A minus 2. What is my B? My B, what we get my B? My B is going to be minus 1. My B is minus 1. What's my C? My C is minus what? 1. Where is my D? My D is minus what? 1. That's minus 1. And look at the option here. We'll look at the option. Can we look at the option? I have minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. That means my answer is option what? B. That's my answer. Are you get what I'm saying? But this, why I did this way is for you to get the full idea or all about solving this. But there is a simple way you can use immediately to solve this without wasting time. I'm going to show you the shortcuts to solve this without wasting time. But immediately you know this enter into your blood, you can now be able to do that simple way to solve it. Then look at the simple way to solve it. Let me just, simple way to solve this become what? I have my what? X minus 1, 1 minus 2 into what? A, B, C, D equals to what? Minus 1, 0, 0, 1. That's what we have here. I cannot say that this, look at my hand, I do this Q. Look at what I did. I will have minus what? A and what? C, and is equals to what? Plus, this is a plus, I'm doing plus now. This one goes this way. Look at what I'm doing my hand. Look at what I'm doing my hand. Look at the first one. I do my hand like this. I got this. I do my hand like this. I do my hand like this. What I'm going to have, I will have what? A. That 1 times A will give me A. Minus 2 times C will give me minus what? C. I will have minus 2C. And I will have again, I'll come for this. This one goes this way. Look at what I'm doing my hand. I finished with it. The first one I did this, I got this. This one I did this, I got this. Then this one I'm going this way now to this to this. I will get what? Minus what? D and what? D plus what? D. This is plus C. Then I will have this like this. Then the second one I will do this again. I will have what? B, and I have minus what? D minus 2D. Minus 2D plus. And this is the matrix, and is equals to what I'm going to have now is equals to what? 1, 0, 0, 1. What does it mean? Are you following? What I did, the first one I do like this, I got this. This time this plus, this time this, give me this. The second one, the same goes this way. This time this, give me this. This time this will give me this. Then for this one, I go again. This go to this. I have this and this. This time this will give me this. That means this time this will give me this. This time this will give me what? This. Then for this one, I go this way again. 1 times this will give me what? This. And minus 2 times this will give me this. And is equals to this. And what does it mean? That this man is equals to this. This man is equals to this. This man is equals to this. And this man is equals to this. And I look at it. This is A, B, A, C, A, C. I will not say minus what? A plus what? C is equals to 1. And what? A, that is my equation 1. And I will say that what? A minus 2C is equals to what? 0. And that's my equation 2. I get what I'm saying now. I come for the second one. I will now say minus B plus D is equals to 0. I will have what? Minus what? B plus what? D is equals to 0, equation 1. I will have that minus B minus 2D is equals to 1. I have B minus 2D is equals to 1, equation what? 2. I will solve this and I will solve this. I'll get it. I will have this. This will give me what? Adding the two equations. This is minus, this is plus. I have to eliminate A. Since this minus is minus, this is A, I have to add these two equations together. If they are of the same sign, if what I want to eliminate is of the same sign, I what? Subtract them. But if they are of different sign, I add them. So what I want to eliminate is A, look at A, and they are of different sign, I have to add. Are you get what I'm saying? Since they are of different sign, I have to add. Adding it, A will what? Go, become 0. Adding this will give me, looking at this will become minus A plus what? A for clarification. This become what? Plus C minus 2C is equals to what? 1 plus what? 0. And this will give me 0 minus what? C and is equals to 1. Therefore, C is equals to minus 1. I can now say put what? Put minus 1 for what? C in a what? Equation what? 1. I will have what? Minus A minus 1 is equals to 1. And minus what? A is equals to what? 2. This one crossing over here become 2. And therefore, A is equals to minus 2. I come over here to solve for this one. I will have that this will be to eliminate this minus, this plus. I have to add it as well. I will have 0 here, and I will have what? Plus what? D minus 2D, and this become equals to 0 plus 1, and I will have minus what? D is equals to 1, and therefore my D is equals to minus 1. I will now say put, I'm going to put minus 1 for what? D in equation what? 1. I will have what? That become what? Minus what? B minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, minus B is equals to what? 1. And B is equals to minus 1. Therefore, I can now say that my what? A, B, C, D is equals to, where is my A? My A, I got my A to be minus 2. Where is my B? I got my B to be minus 1. Where is my D? I got my D to be what? Minus what? 1. I got my C. I got my C to be what? Minus what? As well 1. And I'll have this. And now you look at this, look at the option here. That's way to what? Solve this. So this is a simple way of solving it after you have gotten the other way, which I've shown you before. This is a simple way. Yeah, this is the second question on part 2. This is the second question on part 2. It said, given that Q is 2 by 2 matrix of 6045 and the Q plus P is equals to 7, 6 minus 2, 8. Evaluate, what does this mean? Matrix, what do you mean? Determinants. This symbol means evaluate determinant of Q plus 2P. Note it. This symbol means, this symbol in matrix means, got what? You should get the determinant of Q plus 2. That's what this simply telling us. We should get determinant of Q plus 2P. Then the option is 90, 96, 102, and 120. There's solution. Let's look at the solution. What did they give me? They said Q plus P is equals to 7 minus 2, 6, 8, and that. And this implies that my P is equals to this 7 minus what? 2, 6, 8 minus Q. You get me? Making this man subject of a. This will go there to minus 6, right? Then, but I know my Q. Look at the Q they gave me. They gave me Q. And it will now be that P, the matrix of P is equals to what? 7, 6 minus 2, 8, then minus, what is my Q? My Q becomes 6, 0, 4, 5. That's my Q. And this become equals to, look at that. This 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Then, that's for this. I will have for this minus 2. Minus 2 minus. Are you going to see now? Minus 2 minus 0. Look at it here. I close. The next one becomes 6 minus 4. This becomes what? 6 minus 4. That's for this. Then I have 8 minus 5. I will have what? 8 minus 5. I will close. That's it. You know what I did? 7 minus 6. That's it. Minus 2 minus 0. Look at it. 6 minus 4. Look at it. 8 minus 5. So each value goes to their opponent. Then this will give me that P is equals to, looking at it, 7 minus 6 will give me 1. And what? Minus 2 minus 0 will give me what? Minus 2. 6 minus 4 will give me 2. And 8 minus 5 will give me 3. And that's the matrix of what? P. I've gotten the matrix of P. Therefore, I have Q like this plus 2. I have Q plus what? P. This is the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to have what? What's my Q? My Q is what? 6 and what? 4 and 0 and 5. That's my Q. Then plus 2 into what? What's my P? I've got my P1, 2 minus 2, 3. That's my P. Look at my P over here. Then now open it. I will have that this become what? This 6, 0, 4, 5, close, plus this will give me what? This times this become what? 2 times 1 and what? 2 times minus 2 and 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. And this is what we call scalar multiplying a vector, which is a matrix. Then I will have this to have what? 6, 0, 4, 5. I have x. That's what I have. Then close. Plus what I'm going to have here? 2 minus 4, 4, 6. That's what I'm going to have here. And this will become equals to addition of this. 6 plus 2. I have 6 plus what? 2. I have 0 plus minus what? 4. 0 plus minus 4. 0 plus minus 4. And I'll have 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. That's what I have. Here become 5. 5 plus what? 6. 5 plus 6. I have this. This gives me this. Then I will have that my Q plus what? 2P is equals to what? The matrix. This plus this will give me what? 8. And this plus this will give me minus 4. That's my plus 0 plus minus 4 will be minus 4. This will give me what? 8. This plus this will give me 8. This plus this will give me 11. That's what I have here. Then now, and what they did? They told me to get what? The determinants of this plus what? 2P. What does it mean? What it means that I should get A, you remember that if you have, this means that what? 8 times 11 in bracket, this times 11 minus is a constant, this minus is constant, into minus 4 minus what? 4 times what? 8, close, and this will give me what? 8 minus into what? Minus what? This will give me what? 32, 64, 64, and this will give me equals to what? 8 plus 64, and that will give me, what does it give me? Let us clean here to get the answer. I'm going to clean it. This times this will give me 32, not 64. I'm sorry, 32, not 64. Correct? This 32, not 64. 32, because 4 times 8 will give me 32, not 64. Right? Then adding this, that will give me, that will be 64. This plus this will give me 8, 9, or 120. That means my what? This Q plus what? 2P is equals to what? 120. If you add this, it gives you 120. Let's take 2 here. How did I do that? 8, 8, 32. Put in 2 here will give me what? 10. I write 0, carry 1, 9 plus this will give me what? 12. That's 120. Then that give me 120. And when you look at the option, you see 120 here. Look at the option now. That will be my answer. My answer is option what? D. That's the answer, which is what? 120. You remember what we did? That the time to look at this, what we'll get here is 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, which I said A, B, C, D. Remember the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix is given as DO. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix will give me A times what? D. This times D is a constant. Minus is a constant here. Look at it. Minus is constant. This times this, which will give me what? B times what? C. And that's what we did here by saying that what? 8 minus 4. 8 again, 11. That's what you get. This will times this, which will give me 8 times what? 11. Minus is a constant because minus 4 times what? 8. And that give me 8, 8. And this give me plus 32. And this give me 120. I think you got it right. That's the determinants of what? 2 by 2 matrix. That's what we did here. And you remember what I said. Maybe you see this in a matrix, what it means that you should get determinant of Q. I get what I'm saying. Another way to ask you to get determinant is by giving you this symbol to get determinant of what? Q. That's JAMB for you. Then if sometimes we can give you something, JAMB mates give you this, give you 2, 3, 5, 6. Then I'm close and said evaluate. Evaluate. What does it mean? And they said evaluate. What it means that you should get what? Determinant. When they said P is equal to what they mean is that you should get determinant of what? P. They said this man is equal to the evaluator. Evaluate P. Evaluate P. What it simply means you should get what? Determinant of P. And you get what I'm saying now? They will say this man is equal to the evaluate P. What it means you should get determinant of what? P. Another way they can say it, they will say what? Find they will say find P this way. They said find. That's another way they will give you the question, find what? P in this way. I get what I'm saying. Now when they do this, what they simply mean that you should get determinant of that word P. Then another way, they may not put this way, they put evaluate what? P. What they mean is you get what? Determinant of what? P. I think you're okay without I am explaining to you because this is another way of asking you determinant of a what? A matrix. And I've already shown you a different way we can ask you to get us a determinant of what? Matrix. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing to your friends. Thank you